Bitcoin is bouncing, the US dollar is collapsing, and no one's talking about what it really means. While everyone's busy watching ETF flows and influencers arguing over $100,000 predictions, something way more powerful is happening in the charts. The DXY just broke a critical level. And guess what happened last time this setup triggered? Bitcoin exploded by over 3x in under 6 months. This isn't hype. The charts are screaming, and we're about to break it all down. Oh, and if you're not positioning yourself for what's coming next, you're already behind. Stay with me. This might be the most important chart setup of 2025. Let's start with the US dollar index, the DXY. This isn't just a Forex nerd indicator. It's a macro monster. When the DXY rises, risk assets suffer. When it falls, Bitcoin breathes. Now, look at the chart. We've just officially broken down below the 100 mark, sitting around 98, with no major support until the 96 region. Zoom out and notice this. The last time DXY collapsed like this was in mid-2020, right before Bitcoin went parabolic from $10,000 to $60,000. The SuperTrend just flipped red. That's a macro downtrend confirmation. Below, HARSI, the Heikin Ashi RSI, is deep in the oversold zone. Translation: dollar weakness could accelerate from here. This is the perfect setup for a risk-on explosion. And you know what thrives in a risk-on environment? You guessed it, Bitcoin. Now to Bitcoin. Let's look at the chart on Bitstamp. Weekly candles. Do you see what I see? 2 consolidation ranges. Identical structure. The first, late 2023. The second, right now. Each one follows a parabolic impulse, and both formed clean descending channels, classic bull flags. We're now testing the center boundary of the current channel. A breakout here, especially with volume, is a potential ignition spark. We've got price reclaiming the 10 and 21 EMA, supported by the 55 EMA right underneath. Momentum is shifting. And here's where it gets spicy. Now, let's jump to the Binance chart. Here's where we zoom out and get surgical. Drawn from the 2023 low to the recent all-time high, the Fibonacci retracement shows we've just bounced from the 0.236 level at $82,900. Right now, Bitcoin is pressing against $88,000, a breakout point that aligns perfectly with trendline resistance. And just above that, $91,800, and the golden zone at $95,800. Beyond that, the full extension sits at $163,000. If you're thinking that sounds crazy, rewind to 2020. People said the same when Bitcoin was at $10,000 and $20,000 and $30,000. This is how crypto moves. Violently, rapidly, without warning. Now here's the truth. Most retail investors are still scared. They're looking at the news, waiting for confirmation from analysts who missed the last rally. Meanwhile, the charts, the actual price, are already leading the way. Volume is building. VRVP shows massive support in the $82,000 to $85,000 zone. That's institutional accumulation. Smart money is loading. And Heikin Ashi RSI? It's curling up from the bottom. Last time it did that in a similar structure, Bitcoin went vertical. So ask yourself, are you still waiting for permission, or are you preparing to profit? And if you're serious about making the most of what's coming next, you need to be ahead of the next wave. That's where my eBook comes in. It's called DeFi Financial Freedom, the ultimate beginner's guide. And it's packed with everything you need to start generating passive income in crypto through staking, yield farming, airdrops, and more. Whether you're brand new or already holding Bitcoin, this guide will show you how to make your money work for you without relying on price pumps. No fluff, no hype, just real strategies that are working right now. It's just $4.99, less than a cup of coffee. And if you've made it this far in the video, chances are you're exactly the kind of person this was written for. Check the link in the first pinned comment below. To wrap this up, Bitcoin is flashing major breakout signals. The dollar is breaking down, and the conditions are eerily similar to the early stages of previous bull runs. But crypto doesn't wait for the slow movers. This market rewards speed, preparation, and courage. So here's what I suggest. Bookmark this video. Watch it again if you need to. And if you're not already subscribed, fix that now. Also, I've got another video linked here that covers Ethereum's Spectra upgrade and how it could fuel the next leg up. Definitely don't miss that. This is Crypto Yield Pro. Let's ride the next wave, smart, early, and profitably. See you hopefully soon.